Hey, good evening and welcome to Day Trading Nomads. Thanks for stopping by. Hope everybody had a green day. It was a good day for me. Had a good one. What's going on, Casey? Daniel D, NQ Scalper, Jesse James, Pineapple Pete. Good to see everybody tonight. Hopefully we have a good, high volatile trading session. Let's see what we can do tonight. So just how did everybody do today? I ended up with a bummer of a trade at the end of the day. I was up 3,000 in my eval. Got knocked back about 500 bucks. Glad to hear it there, Casey. How'd that work out for you there, NQ Scalper? All right. We are still at 898 subscribers. We have 11 people watching, and we've got 6 likes. Do me a favor, if you haven't already, hit that like button.
Harmonic
Hit that
GC on
subscribe
the 3.
button. Hit that bell notification
Double
button.
Delta
Boy,
GC
that
on
was
the
a nice
3.
rip. Wow. All right, Gold, let's go. Awesome. Hey, Doug, good to see you. Glad to hear that worked out for you, NQ Scalper. Gonna have to take you, change your name to GC Scalper. Or the GC Swing. GC Swinger. The Gold Swinger. Sounds like something you see in the strip club. Hey, Jesse. Don't forget, your alarm will be coming up in about 12 minutes, but just a friendly reminder, we need to take our meds tonight. What's going on, Andrew? Good to see you. Yeah, me too. Just wish Gold would love me back. Love me long time. All right. So, funny thing happened. Scheduled the stream. Somehow or another, the first time I scheduled it for Jesse's time, 5:30. So I canceled that one, and I scheduled it again. Apparently this time I scheduled it for John's time at 7:30. Not quite sure how this happened tonight, but it happened twice. So appreciate everybody hanging out, even though the start time was different. We're here. We got it going. Okie dokie.
Fib.NQ on the 3. Fib.GC on the 3.
All right, we're stalking from the left to the right, looking at the higher time frames. Looking at gold and crude, waiting for it to make its move. NQ and ES are definitely looking like they want to go short tonight. Looks like a Christmas tree on the MACV. On both crude and gold. I mean, NQ and gold. Zoom in on the NQ for just a second.
Fib.GC on the 3.
All right, let's take a look at gold. What's going on, Manfred? Good to see you, George. All right, let's switch back to both.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
Got a super AO on the NQ. A little bit out of position there. It doesn't have confluence with the MACV. I do like the way it's trending down though. Let's see if we can get it to back up a little bit. Perhaps get us a better buy-in. Let's start thinking about putting our target where our stop should be. I'm sorry, not target, but my entry. So I really want my stop to be here. So if I'm looking for a stop there, and I want that to be my target, I really want my stop to be up here, not target, my entry. So let's see if we can get a pullback there. See if we can mitigate some risk, get a better buy-in. Like I said, I'm not quite comfortable going short yet. Taking this trade. Okay, our nerd is way behind. There we go, moderate sell. And currently the only holdout is the NQ. All right, I like the way that looks. Look for an entry around 19,997, 19,998 before we consider taking this short. Right up here around this double cipher. Remember, I'd like to get at least 25 ticks out of this. I've got a target set at 15 and one at 25, and then we keep a runner. So I want to get in a trade where I think I'm going to at least get 50 tick move out of it. Hopefully 60, which is about a 15-point move on the NQ. Remember, we're looking for an entry right around there, which will give me a 40 tick stop. My stop will actually be all right, let's see what we can do here. Just gonna sit here, wait patiently, try to get the best entry we can. Oh, it looks like we're already under attack. We've got 1,000 viewers. How cool is that? Now if we could just get some likes. We got 1,200 viewers. 14 likes. Awesome. Here we go. 1,500 viewers. All right. Here we go. Hey, Kumar, how's it going today, man? I tell you what, our viewership is way the hell up. Okay, so we're getting close to that cipher. That's where I was looking for an entry. We had that double cross. So what I did was I went back to my most recent high and I pulled a retracement. Went down here to the bottom of that cross, and you can see where our entry should be, between the green lines. So if we can get a signal there,
harmonic NQ on the 3.
if I can get a pullback above and beyond, and we can get a signal in this area in between the green lines, that's what I'm looking for before I consider going south. So we're looking for this area right here before we go south. Let's see what happens. Did the boat leave without me? It may have. We've got 3,286 viewers. This is so awesome. 15 likes. Let's go. Oh, David, how did I know it was you? I don't know how you got back in, but that's okay. You know what? You just bring it on. David Maloney.
Fib.gc.
Here we go again. Yep, we're bad people. Bad people doing bad things for bad reasons.
Harmonic NQ on the 3.
See how it's just getting up there? Just getting back into my zone. Probably should have took that when it went up there, but I was too busy focused on David Maloney. Hell, I'm not going to FOMO into it. We really didn't get the signal we wanted. And here we go again. Let's see what happens. We got a cipher developing down on the bottom. Let's see if we can get back in that entry zone. Let's take a look back. Definitely forming a supply zone there. Gold is off to the races in a big bad kind of way. How about that? All right. That looks like a continuation AO. Gold is just rocketing. Look at this thing go. Ho. Ho. Boy, when it makes up its mind. Wow, look at that thing go. Look at it go, man. Look at it go. Incredibly oversold.
Double delta GC on the 3.
What is going on? Let me go check financial juice out. Did something just happen? Taiwan dollar rises 0.3% to really nothing. All right.
Order
I gotta give this a
order
shot.
GC
Order
on the
filled.
3.
I gotta give this a shot. Let's see here. See if we can get a return flight.
Fib.GC on the 3.
Oh, I don't like those double dots, but I just feel like it's going to give us some kind of a retracement here. Come on. Quickly.
Fib.GC on the 3.
Nice pink dot. Let's go. Take it. Go down. A little bit. Oh, man, it missed my target. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, come on. Oh, that's just wrong. All right. Come on. Let's go.
Fib.GC on the 3.
Double dots. Let's go. Take it short. Taking it short. All right, let's go. Come on. That was just a fast flight up.
Fib.GC on the 3.
Come on. Let's go. Nope. We're going to back our stop up, and if we have to, we'll double down. All right, we're gonna average
filled.
in here. Let's see if we can get. Let's see if we can get out of this trade with some money.
Fib.GC on the 3.
There we go. Come on, let's go. No. No. Maybe the move wasn't quite over yet.
Fib.GC on the 3.
All right. Come on, let's go. Let's fall down.
Enigma short on the GC3.
All right, now we got an enigma. We're going to take our stops and move it up. Just to give us some whiplash protection. Come on. Let's go. Return trip. There we go. Now we're hearing some sellers. Let's go. Come on, let's go back down. Let's go. Come on. Drop it. Come on. Oh. Let's go. Let's go hit 54.
Fib.GC on the 9.
Let's go.
Harmonic NQ on the 3.
Send it south. Send it back south. Let's go. Oh, so close. So many times, so
Order
close.
filled.
Come on, let's go. A little bit more. Little bit more.
Double Delta NQ on the 3.
Come on.
Harmonic
Let's
GC
take
on the 3.
64, 54, 54. Come on. Oh, we got one of our targets off there.
Harmonic GC on the 3.
Nope, this isn't wanting to work. No, come on.
Double Delta GC on the 3.
All right, let's go. Still think we're going to come on back to 54 here. Okay, this is really not working out here. All right, come on.
Harmonic GC on the 3.
Order filled.
Harmonic GC on the 3.
All right, let's go.
Fib.NQ on the 3. Double Delta GC
I
on
know
the
it's
3.
coming back.
Double Delta GC on the 3. Double Delta GC on the 3.
All right.
Double Delta GC on the 9. Harmonic GC on the 3.
All right, so this one's really wanting to be a horse's patoot here.
Harmonic GC on the 3.
Not good.
Fib.GC on the 3. Fib.NQ on the 3. Fib.GC on the 3.
We got 5,000 viewers. A lot of people like a train wreck. Man, this gold is being relentless here.
Double Delta GC on the 3. Fib.GC on the 9. Harmonic GC on the 3.
Well, we know what the problem is.
What's up, Bob? What's up, everybody?
Hey, man, what's going on, Jesse? I got myself into a real pickle here on this gold trade.
Yeah, gold just wanted to take a rip, huh?
Yeah, I thought it would take a return trip back. I got one of my contracts off, but that was it.
Put us on NQ and let me talk through my trade, and that way I'll keep everybody busy.
All right.
You can manage your trade there.
That works for me.
So I'm stuck in an NQ long here. I tried to push up, but yeah, it's dropping out on me again, folks. Oh boy.
Hey, Daniel D, I got 8 right now.
Okay, so
But just remember, those are minis. And not minis, those are micros.
what's up, Trav? Hey, Alpha, how's that? How are those sharks looking, Alpha? Did we push up out of them yet? I'm still hoping for a push long on NQ. Let's see here. Okay, it's trying. I'm hearing some buy pressure.
You know, I don't know why David Maloney insists on doing that to us.
I don't know. It's just a waste of time, dude. We're
I
just
know.
a couple of no ones out here trading and having fun, hanging out with our friends.
Such a
So,
distraction.
if he wants to waste his time, I guess. Jesus.
No, Daniel, that's not much there.
Yeah, it's only $1 a tick per contract.
Yeah, I mean, I'm upside down $700 on this micro, so I'm not real thrilled about it, but
No, but it'll come back down. There's no way it can sustain that type of a rip in the Asian market. Really? I don't think so.
it was a hell of a shot up.
Yes, it was. I don't blame you for trying to smack it down. That's what I did on NQ. We had that rip down. I tried to smack it up, and then I had an opportunity to get out, and now we've just been grinding down.
Yeah. There you go, Casey. Way to catch that uppy-duppy.
What's up, Kumar, Manfred, Daniel, of course, my boy Alpha. What's up, Brian, Casey in the house. Somebody
Fib.gc
said
on the
51st Date was on the other day. Every night the one night stand with Luthi numbnuts. Good to see you guys. I absolutely love hanging
Double
out with
Delta
you all every
GC on the
evening. So
3.
Bob, thanks again for putting on the stream and making this happen, even with douchebags like David out there. Sometimes. Sorry for my language, folks. I apologize, especially if there's any ladies in the audience. I'm sorry.
All right, how many likes do we have?
Let's go. It's pushing. NQ's pushing. Let's go.
I'm gonna have to keep this one going here. We were still waiting for our entry on the NQ. I should have been focused on that.
Double Delta GC on the 9.
I'm almost back to break even. Let's go. So my entry right now, my average entry, I got 3 micros on, and it's at 20,000.
Double Delta
even.
GC on the 3.
Oh, I should have just closed it. Take a $20 loss there. Oh man, famous last words.
That's right.
What's up, James? Good to see ya. Welcome back, brother. Brian, was it one of those laughs where your face hurt? I do so many of those quotes from that movie pretty much every night, so it's got to make you laugh, guys, when you go and turn on the TV or whatever, Netflix, and it's playing or something. That'll make you laugh. It'll make you think of the Nomads.
There you go.
Oh man. Okay, come on, NQ. Give me one more push. One more push north.
I wonder what that spike was all about on gold.
I don't know.
Double
Let me
Delta
take a look.
GC
I know
on the
you looked
3.
at Financial Juice, but you were trying to focus on a trade at the same time. Let me scour it a little deeper here. Let's see.
Fib.gc on the 3.
I don't know. Taiwan dollar
That's
rises.
what I saw. China sets The One, midpoint, China Central Bank, White House press secretary discusses on Fox News. Bureau of Prisons evaluating future plans for Alcatraz.
Yeah, I don't see anything that would have made gold rip.
No, not that much. I mean, damn, that was a monster.
Short on the G3.
It must have just hit some stops or something, which then triggered the bots, you know?
Yeah.
The algorithms, something, some computers jumped in and said, whoa, we don't like this.
Well, we got some of our money back so far. Got a red Enigma there.
All right.
The gold
so-
freight train, Chad. Here
Yeah.
you go.
What's up, Chad? I forgot to say hi to you too, my friend. Good to see you again. Brian, I know. I don't think I could ever look at Sean Astin the same. You know, it's like that's his character, you know.
Which one?
Sean Astin, the guy in 50 First Dates with the list. The guy I'm always imitating.
Oh, okay.
I was gonna whip his ass, Daddy, but this gravel I flipped. Hilarious. Dang, Casey had 6 contracts long on that gold rip.
There you go.
God.
I definitely took it the wrong way. And by the way, I was wrong. I busted one of my 150s.
Oh,
it
no.
was not, yeah, it was not on micros. All right. Well then.
Oh, bummer.
Well, there's another $16.50 that'll, that's the good news. Well, that's the bad news. The bad news is we busted one. The good news is it was only worth $16.50. And I had just started that, dude.
Darn it.
Oh, well.
Kenny,
rest-
what's up, my friend?
Rest of these are all in micros.
Kenny says oil went for a rip also. Wow. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm just about to break even again. Is this going to be the 4th time I fail to close my trade, fellas?
Hey, Casey, yeah, that was with ETF. So I have 4 of them on, but they're supposed to be on micros. But apparently I didn't do the crossover on micros for account number 84. So 84 is now 86th.
Fib.gc on the 9.
And it's about to become 85.
No, 85 is still alive and well.
Okay.
82, 83, 85 are still alive and well.
So, all
Double
right. So
delta
it's really
GC
going to
on
be
the
86th.
It really is going to be 86th.
Double delta GC on the 3.
It'll renew. Hey, Casey, that one will renew in less than a month. I've still got several in the hopper there.
What's up, Jason G in the house again, blessing us with his presence. Ooh, I see green. I see green on my trade.
Harmonic NQ on
Double
the 3.
delta
NQ on the 3.
All right, I'm looking for a short on the NQ. And it got back into the zone that I was looking for. I'm going to clean that chart up real quick.
Well,
Okay,
I saw
so-
18 bucks there for a moment. Now it's down to, now I'm red 10 bucks. Ay, ay, ay. Get up there, NQ.
Okay, I'm going to switch this one over.
Oh, what's up, Missile?
What's going on, Missile?
David does. Hey, what's that target thing at the top of the chat which says 0 of 20?
So apparently we got monetized.
Really?
Yes. And so if you look down in the bottom of the chat, there's a $sign and a rectangle. And I'm not quite sure. I didn't realize I had gotten monetized. So it did that 0 to 20 thing. I have no idea what that is.
Oh, it's you got super chats, and what it's saying is 2 minutes pin in the chat. Okay, so people can super chat you now. And if we reach 20 super chats, it seems like it's going to allow us to stream an extra hour.
What?
It says get 1 extra hour of live streaming when we reach the goal. 20 teal super chats is the goal.
Okay.
Oh, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if we can get a super chat.
All right.
Oh boy.
How do you turn that off?
I have no idea. No idea.
I didn't.
Oh, come on, NQ. Jeez Louise.
All right, so I click on it. It says goal ends in 20 minutes. And what's this up here? Remove goal. Okay, goal is removed.
Oh, there we go.
It's still there. No, it's gone. So, okay.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
I don't like that. I'm not asking people for money.
No. No. David Maloney was gone for a while. He must have gotten smoked on a couple trades. Now he's back hating on us again.
Morons, beggars. Okay. Hate all of you.
Pip.gc on the 3.
Welcome back, David.
Welcome back, David. We love you, bro. Good to see you again, my friend. We're just going to kill you with kindness.
And now his dot is orange.
Yeah, it's different accounts. You got different accounts. Yeah, he's getting angry. I don't know what. Dude must have lost some trades or something. Bob's upside down on a trade too, David, so you're not alone.
Nope.
Hell, I am too. I'm down $76 right now. What's up, matey? BK, I did between last night and this morning, I did about $900 roughly, más o menos, across 5 Tradify accounts. So not a bad session. Right now, my first trade is not going very well. I've got 3 micros on. I'm down $61. I don't know why I'm long on the NQ when we're clearly grinding down. I must be half retarded tonight.
I know I am. I know I am.
Bob's short on gold, which is ripping, and I'm long on NQ, which is grinding down.
See, I should have got in that trade I was stalking the NQ trade. Got exactly the signal I wanted in between. FOMOing into the gold trade, which really bit me in the ass, and paying attention to, trying not to pay attention to David. I just totally screwed up my night. So David, mission accomplished, son. Appreciate it. And since he reported somebody, I just went ahead and reported him. I think I also kicked him out of the room again.
Good. What's up, Captain Rex?
How did they
Felony Friendly Trader? Good to see you guys again. George, what's up, buddy?
Can you? How do you get rid of the dollar sign though? I don't want that
on the
tip
3.
jar there or whatever it's called.
I don't think you can. I don't know. I mean, keep it there. If somebody wants extra special attention and wants to ask a question, sure, we'll give people time. I say, I mean, whatever. If you want to send a tip, send a tip. To us scammers.
Well, it just appeared.
Yeah, I think we must have hit a magic number. What is the magic number? 900? I thought it was 1,000 subscribers.
It's supposed to be 1,000, but it's funny because. Oh, Jason, no. We are definitely not going to London. Not
his royal trade says just the tip. It all starts off that way, doesn't it?
That's funny.
That's funny.
All right. If we can get this thing back down below 58, I can actually go back to break even on crude.
Well, NQ's not behaving for me. That's for damn sure.
Look,
Let me blow
guys,
my nose. I'll be
that
right
tip
back.
jar is there. I didn't put it there. I didn't set the goals. I have no idea. But Vinny did send me a text today saying they had dropped the requirement for from 1,000 to 500, which I thought was funny as we get closer to 1,000. But I guess it kicks in automatically now. So Jesse, I guess we got to watch that gold thing and see if that does it every night automatically, because I'm not asking. Oh God, you guys, you tell me you guys aren't putting money in the tip jar. How do you know? Okay, good. I don't see any tip money yet, so that's good. I really, it's all good, guys. It's funny.
All right, I'm back.
You can tip your waitresses. You don't have to tip me.
Fib.NQ on the 3.
Man, I have no idea. Oh.
No, I think he removed the goal, so there's no goal. Thank goodness. Jeez, NQ. Jeez.
I know I should
Let
have
me
taken.
out.
Look at the trade I should have taken, and I had it spotted out, waiting for that AO, that super AO. I called that. Hey man, look, you want to put a tip in the jar? You can just go right ahead. I'm not going to stop you. I have no idea how to get the money out, but I'm sure I'll be able to figure it out. But damn it, boy!
On the 9.
Cannot believe I missed that trade, Jesse.
Yeah, all right.
Hey, Brian, that's fine.
NQ on the 3.
You know what? If it makes y'all feel better, tip to your heart's content. Thanks for the support, guys. Appreciate it. Jesse, did you take your meds?
NQ on the 3. Double delta
Yes, sir.
NQ on the 3.
All right. This sucks so bad. I FOMO'd into a trade I shouldn't have, and I stalked the trade I was stalking but didn't get in. Absolutely worked out perfect.
Well, look at that super AO. Hopefully that gives us a little push up on NQ. My lord.
Just give it to the strippers. Absolutely.
Come on, NQ. Give a little push up here. Come on. My average entry is now 984. It's trying. I'm definitely
So-
not going to be a dick for a tick this time. I'm getting
There you
out of
go.
this bad boy.
Jason, so the record was set last night at 65,497. To see a train wreck. Who is Bob Ford?
Apparently, that was a friend of Jesse James, the real Jesse James, who turned on him and ended up killing him. So we were joking earlier before you opened the bar that maybe you should change your screen name to Bob Ford. And then somebody told me, no, Bob Ford killed Jesse James. I said, okay, never mind. We don't want that around here.
Nope.
Harmonic GC on the 3.
Gold is ripping back up.
Fib.GC on the 3.
Unbelievable how high gold is going tonight.
Jesus Christ. David is relentless. Bro, why don't you just explain to us what happened to you? Why are you so pissed off?
Oh, who
what did
cares?
Bob and Jesse do to you, man?
How did
We're
he
just a couple of
win?
traders. Come on, NQ, give me a push. Give Bob a flush on gold.
Oh,
Let's
David.
go.
You know what? See, he's hidden on this channel. How is he getting around it? It says unhide user in this channel.
We didn't wrong you, dude. We're users of this software. We're not the owners. We didn't sell you shit. We're not the scammers. We did nothing. We're just streamers having fun, hanging out with friends. Be positive, dude. Put positive energy out in the world and it'll come back to you. You keep acting like that and guess what? You're going to keep getting wrong. It's how the world works. It's how the world works, my friend. Come on, NQ. For Christ's sakes. Why am I long when it's clearly grinding down?
Well, that
my
was
God.
my thesis from the beginning. Oh, this whole David thing just got me totally whacked. All right, David, you win.
Fib.GC on the 3. Fib.NQ on the 3.
Buy him a drink. He needs to get laid.
What he needs is a couple winning trades so he can feel good about himself. We've all been there, dude. It's obvious you're on a friggin', you know. Get a couple wins under your belt, get yourself in a good mood, and then come back and hang out. Jesus.
Divergence down GC on the 9.
I'm trying to clean my glasses so I can see clearly. Can't quite read these red numbers on my P&L.
I hear you.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
Oh,
Harmonic
for Christ's
divergence
sake.
on
Ah,
the
look at the
9.
dropout. My lord.
I had it called. I called it right.
Double
All
Delta
right.
GC on the 3.
Well, I took my $1,000 hit on gold.
Oh,
That's okay. I still think it's coming back.
matey mate, you sound like Bob.
Yeah, who farted, man?
Come on, NQ. I added again, by the way. Come on, give me a push up, at least to break even so I can
Double
get out
Delta
of this
NQ
mess.
on the 3.
I need to
Double
reset.
Delta NQ on the 9. Fib.NQ on
You
the
and
3.
I both, brother. This is not a good night.
Not yet, anyways.
Trump farted.
Oh, shit. Ay, ay, ay. Couple bars up just to rip right back down. This is crazy.
All right, so Australian building approvals, actual negative 8.8. Forecast was negative 1.5. The previous was negative 0.3. So building approvals is down about
Double Delta GC on the 9.
800%.
Double Delta NQ on the 3.
Household spending's up 3.5% over year. Spending declined 0.3%. Private house approvals down, huge. Wheaton board member Peter Gillen passes. The hell does that mean? He passes. Did he pass on?
I think so.
The yuan strengthens to 7.23 per dollar, strongest level since March 20th. Onshore yuan increases 0.4% to align with offshore Chinese yuan as market resumes. I don't know, man, but it wrecked me tonight. Okay, so he died. Wheaton board member Peter Gillen passes. Wow.
Brian, my average entry is 974.50. I'm not adding any more to this. I'm just going to take the hit if it rips down again.
I took my hit. I got to $1,000, and that was enough.
No, I don't blame you.
And I did solve that problem. 80, what did I say? 84, got 86. So we are trading 3 accounts now. Actually 4, but I had one of them turned off. So 82 did not trade. 83, 84, and 85 traded. So 84 is gone, but 83 and 85 are still good. And 82 was unscathed. So
All right.
there you go. And 73 through 81 are still in good shape.
Fib.GC on the 3.
And this is why I don't trade all of them at one time.
Probably not a bad practice there.
You're going to have bad trades.
What's up, Liberty? Yeah, I did double down. I doubled down right at the bottom here. I mean, if it goes for another dropout, I'm just going to close it, I guess. Damn it.
Okay, I'm going to leave NQ up for you. I'm out of the out of my gold trade. I have made sure that everything is on micros for the rest of the night. Did we get rid of David? Is David gone?
Who knows?
Okay. I did report him. Enough is enough. I was checking to see on my Gmail if I got an update from. Man, look at gold go! Holy
Still
cow!
going?
Still
Still?
going. Still going.
Jeez.
Session highs. Man, I gotta go look. What is the all-time high for gold?
Fib.NQ on the 3.
Are we gonna make all-time
Harmonic
highs for
NQ
gold
on the
tonight?
3.
Let's go look over there. I'm looking over at Thinkorswim. Let's see here. Gold. Let's pop that dude out. Maximize that sell. Let's go over here to daily.
Harmonic NQ on the 3. Fib.GC
Okay, so
on the 3.
recent high at the all-time high is 35.0940. So it still has a little way to go, but oh my gosh.
It's up 1.97%.
So since it did its little thing, it's up 255 ticks. Casey, you let go too early, man. You let go too early. Wow. Wow. Hey, Jesse, I'm going to run check on Missile's bike. I'll be back in a few. You got the helm there.
Yep, gotcha.
All right, you haven't committed Harry Carey there, have you? All right, I'll be right back.
Oh, all right. All right, so NQ down 0.48%, ES down 0.25%, Russell down 0.14%, 15%, and the Dow down 0.10%.
Fib.GC on the 3.
The entire nerd is down on the evening.
Fib.NQ on the 3.
Nice. Good to see how people really believe in our country. Bunch of sissies. Let's see. Just give me a little push. Let me get out of this thing.
Fib.GC on the 3.
David, you sure hate a lot of people, man. You got a lot of hate in your blood. Woo! F you. Jeez. Got a lot of hate, man. I feel bad for your family. Your wife,
Harmonic
kids, whoever
NQ
you
on
got
the 3.
living near you, man. They got to deal with that every day. Jesus.
Harmonic NQ on the 3.
Casey, Missile, if one of you guys wants to boot that user, go ahead. You both got wrenches. Let's use them. Let's use them. And there's a little push on NQ. Let's see if it can keep going. I doubt it. I need 974.50. Can I get lucky?
Fib.GC on the 3.
Thank you, Missile. Appreciate it. Oh, come on, NQ. Come on. If you can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a ball. Ay, ay, ay. Ever since, what time was that?
NQ3.
This afternoon. 14:48. It's just been a constant grind down, like the world's coming to an end. People are just a bunch of weenies. Come on, invest in America. Yeah, I know, Case. He'll keep coming back. He's wasting his time and efforts instead of learning how to trade. It's sad, but you guys will keep booting him, I guess. Come on, NQ. Let's just get a little bit of a push. Just a little push. So we even pushed the low of the regular trading hours too. Wow. So we set a new low on the night and a new low for today. Jeez. Relentless.
Fib.gc on the 3.
Casey, I don't know. I guess I could Google it. Let me Google it. What's the all-time high on gold futures? 3,500 in April of 2025. Okay, highest ever, 3,509. Wow. 3,509. That's incredible.
Fib.nq on the 9.
Let's make everybody listening in. Let's make sure we hit that like button. Try to keep Bob as late as we can tonight.
Fib.gc on the 3.
Oh, there's a push. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Give me 974.
All right, Jesse, I'm back.
Finally getting a little push on NQ. Come on. My eyes are glued to it. Come on, NQ. Push. Don't you do it. It's hesitating. I don't like it. It's right at the middle of the channels on the 6s. Push through there. Come on. Oh, come on.
It's right at the top of that consolidation zone.
Yeah, they just gave up.
Enigma long on the NQ3.
Just
Got
didn't
it.
have the buyers to push
Got
it
a
through there.
Super Enigma. Here, I'm gonna
Order
help you.
filled.
Wow, 2 super enigmas in a row.
Yep. I went ahead and took one of them. Get a moon touch, we'll double up.
Fib.gc on the 3. Harmonic GC on the 3.
So I
So
am
while
along
you-
with you. Go ahead.
All right, good. Good. While you were gone, we looked up on Google the all-time high on gold. It's 3,509, and Casey says, wow, we might get there tonight.
Oh, I thought I said that earlier. 3509.4.
Jesus, NQ, get your ass up there. It just doesn't want to go.
Too funny. Let's see here.
2 super moon shots in a row? No, just moon shots. I don't see double deltas on those. Oh yeah, Missile's right. It's against the Mac VU. Yeah. Ay, ay, ay.
Fib.gc on the 9.
All right, I'm going to double down.
Order filled.
Come on, let's go.
Okay, I'm hearing buy pressure. Come on, buyers. Let's go.
Dude, got to my first target and turned around, came back.
Order filled.
All right, there we go. 1 target off.
What's up, Epic? Good to see you, buddy.
Good to see you, Epic.
I'm trying to work myself out of a pretty bad long I've been in forever.
Come on, give it a push. Give it a go.
Come on, buyers.
Order
Push
filled.
filled. Time.
There's
Push
2
through.
targets.
We're right at the middle of the channels on the 6s.
Come on, take target number 3. Come on.
Order
There we go.
Harmonic
number
NQ
4
on the
coming up.
3.
Okay, I'm going to move everything to break even. We did get the moon touch we wanted on that super Enigma. Let's see if we can get a little bit more latitude here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take that target off. I've got 2 runners left. We're going to bump those up just a little bit. Get them in the profit. See if we can get some latitude here. Gold is starting to retrace. All right, I may just go ahead and thin the herd one. No, let's keep going. Come on, NQ, rip it up. What's your target, Jesse?
Well, my break even's 974.
Okay.
Do you see a path to the get there?
Nope. I do not.
Nice.
Other than I got 2, I'm gonna half one off here. Actually, I'm just gonna drag that dude down there.
Order
filled.
All right, we got 1 runner left. Okay, we're currently up $310 on this trade. Okay, we're at 40 ticks.
Come on, NQ, push.
All right. Am I connected or am I not connected here?
I can hear you now, but you're cutting out
GC on the 3.
Yep. All right. So I got stopped out of those trades. I'm up $445. Oh, let's not forget the $1,000 we're down on the other accounts. So anyway, so we're down, what, 445 minus 1,000? Yeah, so we're down $565 for the night.
You're inching your way back in.
You're telling me I got a chance.
Oh, come on, NQ.
Glad I moved that stop.
Don't sis out on me.
I'm out of that trade, by the way.
All right.
I didn't have much of a choice. When I got disconnected, I had to go over to Tradivate and manually get myself out of them.
Mm. All right, I see 33.
Put your wife in a chokehold and put her to sleep.
Jeez, Missile.
Oh, gold ripping back up. Oh no.
Double delta
Pushed up to
GC
the
on the
session
3.
high. Got a super AO up there. I'm not touching gold anymore tonight. Wow. So, I do have a little Timmy joke. You ready for a little Timmy joke?
Sure.
All right. So, mom and dad decide they're going back into the bedroom, and they're gonna. What did we call it the other night? With
they're gonna go watch a movie.
Yeah, they're gonna go watch
to
a movie. So mom and dad are watching the movie, and dad looks up, and little Timmy is at the foot of the bed, and he turns around, runs out, all upset. So dad looks at mom and says, I'm gonna go talk to Timmy. So he walks into Timmy's room, and all of a sudden, little Timmy is watching a movie with grandma. And dad says, "Oh my God, what the hell?" And Timmy turned around and said, "Not so funny when it's your mom."
Que asco.
So Missile liked my joke. Okay, NQ Scalper, he laughed.
All right. In all seriousness, does anybody see any kind of relief from NQ anywhere in the vicinity here? Am I going to get lucky, or do I need to get out of this damn thing?
Well, the tide says you might be able to get up to 2070. You are in the Bollinger Bands. We do have a Bollinger Touch there. I am hearing buyers.
Yeah, this is a nice little push, but the aggressive sellers just sell it all off every time. This is crazy.
The tape is so thin.
All right, I'm gonna mute while I eat my peanut M&Ms and glue myself to this push up on NQ here. Hold on,
There you
I'll
go.
be back.
Hey, Kevin, what's going on, man? We're just hanging on with both hands tonight. Trying to get Jesse out of this trade here.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
Yeah, Kevin, we've been under attack here. This David guy is pretty much messing with our YouTube algorithm. So the notification pop up in your feed or not? You had to go search. What the hell is Kirwa? Did I miss something?
Fib.gc on the 3.
Holy cow. All right. Jesse may have just gotten out of that trade, whether you liked it or not. Wow. 80 tick push. Hey, Smokescreen, we try to stream every night at 8:30. I'm sorry, 8:45. Normally we go to 10, but looks like we're going a little bit longer.
on the 3.
Yeah, a buddy of mine is trying to get me to change the name of our stream. Yep, we got FOMC on Wednesday. Jesse, you still with us?
Yeah, I'm hanging on by a thread.
Wow, that was a drop, wasn't it?
One hell of a drop. Yep.
Fib.NQ on the 3.
Hey, the good news is I see a path to your 74 now.
Nice. Ay. This is unrelenting.
Oh, man. Wow. And the crazy thing is I want to play this back the direction it just came from. It's just going to sit here and wait. I think I got lucky and got a good entry on that last supermoon. Hey, by the way, Jesse, both those supermoons took target.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah. The first one took it almost immediately. And then it came back down. We got the second one. We got the moon touch, but it never broke structure, and it ended up taking target. The 20 tick target.
Harmonic GC on the 3. Harmonic GC on the 3. Divergence down GC on the 3.
There goes gold again. New session highs. Hey, Cashcraft, just trying to get on the right side of this damn thing. You know, I'm just not buying. I'm just not selling that 6.4 shark. I can't do it. I can't do it. I think this thing's going all the way to 3,400. Wow. What is going on? I think NQ is coming back to 940. I think gold is going to 400.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
I think I'm going to do an FIIJOM on the NQ.
I'm pretty sure there's been at least 3 times I've said, if it drops again, I'm getting out of this trade.
Fib.GC on the 3.
Did I? No.
All right, I'm going to put 1 micro on long.
Order
filled.
I've got 30 micros on long.
I've got 1 on with a 200 tick stop
My lord.
and a 400.
This idiot
tick
over
target.
here never learns. Never learns. Jeez. That's I'm way too leveraged right now on a 50K account.
Ooh.
Oh, come on.
Reverse it. George says reverse it.
I can't. Bob, you've got 1 micro.
We got 1 micro.
I can't reverse now. I can't take this kind of a hit. I've got to see this thing through. It's either going to kill me or it's going to let me out of break even. Ay, ay, ay. Get up there, NQ. What's crazy is I've had several opportunities to just get out of it with like a $20 loss.
Yeah. I may leave this one on all night. I think I'm pretty much done trading for the night.
Yeah, I might have to switch from guns to missiles to try to catch myself back up here.
Well, that's what I did. After that disastrous gold trade, I switched over to the NQ. And when I rode that one up with you, I was all missiles on that one. And then I got about half my money back.
Yeah.
But I have since switched over back to guns. And I just gotta believe this is gonna rebound tonight.
Stealth, thank you for that. I appreciate it. Bob, thank you also. You guys are giving me a little hope here. Jeez. I don't have a ton of drawdown left on these small accounts though, so yep, this was idiotic.
There you go, NQ Scalper. Great job. I got silly. I got stupid.
Missile, I thought you quit drinking beer already, buddy.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
Jeez.
Well, here's some good news. Today, I liquidated all my cash accounts. All my retirement accounts, all my 401ks. I felt like it's just going to get worse. And I wanted to have the cash ready. So I got out of everything today. I closed all the puts that I sold, trying to get into covered calls. Those are all gone. So we banked some cash today, took some profits. And on the retirement side of life, we are 100% cash.
All right.
Hey, Anna. I have a daughter named Anna.
Oh, boy.
Hey, Stealth, what'd you get long on? We're good, Anna. Thanks for asking. Are you new? I don't remember seeing you here. Okay, Stealth, good. I'm long on NQ as well. Well, I guess you can see that with just one micro. I was hoping it would come down to 19,920 and I'd DCA in. And then I lost it at 5 minutes later.
GC on the 3.
First time, man. Awesome. Do me a favor. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification button. Come back anytime. Anna is David? No way. No way.
No.
No. Anna's got a picture, not a letter.
And Anna's being nice.
Yes,
David's
she is.
not nice. So the only thing that's got me kind of liking, maybe I might get lucky here, is that we're at S1. Maybe we bounce from S1. Maybe not.
Okay, if you come along down to the bottom of this crab, I may go ahead and add another one. I am, Anna.
Harmonic GC on the 3.
I'm playing the long game here. I was kind of hoping to build a position going down and let it stay overnight. NFP. Help me out with that one, Anna. No, Anna's a real person. She's got a real channel. She's been on the, she's had a channel for 3 or 4 years. She's got actually has 5 subscribers.
All right.
She's legit. Non-farm payrolls. There you go. My head is not in it tonight, Jesse. I'm sure yours. You know, it's funny because here are the 2 things. I did 3 things tonight. I made 3 trades. Well, I did 2 trades, and the one was a recovery trade, and that worked out well. But that gold trade just bit me in the ass. Just went against me, and I FOMO'd into that one. I FOMO'd.
On the 3.
Just say no to FOMO. And then, to make it worse, I just kept thinking, oh, it's going to reverse. It's going to reverse. It's going to reverse.
Double delta GC on the 3.
The reality of it is, if I had just stayed on track with targeting, with stalking that very first trade, which was my NQ South, the short on the NQ, I would have done extremely well with that trade. Extremely well. So that's what I have to remember.
Yep.
So cute kids there, Anna. Yeah, my daughter's into the Squishmallow things too.
Come on, NQ, push.
Divergence up NQ on the 9.
Oh boy.
Oh, you got 1 tick.
I know. It's like a painful, slow grind south.
Yeah, mine does too. Hey, Manny, what's going on? Good to see you.
Everybody better hit that like button. Let's smash it. We got to keep Bob up late.
I'm up with you, but I'm not taking any more trades. I'm going to take my punishment tonight. I've got this 1 micro long. If it comes back down, I'll double up and go 2 micros deep. But I am done. But what I have to remember here, Jesse, is before I FOMO'd, before I did the stupid FOMO shit, I nailed that first trade. Nailed it. Then I got wrapped up with that David guy and into that gold trade. Totally lost focus. And man, was that a good trade. Jeez.
No, I know.
And that's what I got to remember. I got to have that can-do attitude. Right, Missile?
What's it doing here? Please put in a higher low. Ay, yeah, man. I literally started this trade while I was still at work this afternoon, right at the market open.
Are you kidding? Wow.
Not kidding. Not kidding. And every time I thought we were putting in a new low, like, okay, that's it. I'm adding one. Add. Crazy.
Well, here's the good
man.
news. Gold is coming back down in a hurry, like. So maybe that'll result in a nice little push on the NQ.
Yeah, we'll see. I let this get so far away from me. And with this intraday trailing drawdown, which I'm not real good at. Oof.
Hey, Stealth, I think it's coming back to 19.9 as well. That's where my stop is, and I'm probably going to move it. I will move it because when it gets to 19.9, I'm going to double down. Maybe 19.10 or 9.10.
Man, you guys are scaring me. That is way down there. I was hoping we would push up off of this S1. I guess it's still possible. We're right
Still
there.
possible. At 940. Looks like you got the S1 at 940. Is that what I'm seeing?
I don't have the labels on, but it's roughly right. Yeah, it's like rough. Yeah. Ish.
Fib.NQ on the 3.
Brian, actually, I'm not sure about that. I'm new to the evals on Tradeify. Let me go take a look. Oh, Christ. Come on, NQ. Ay. Yeah, it's about to smoke me. Whoops, I guess I better refresh the web page before I look at the accounts. So I have the advanced challenge. I'm new to these, right? I used to do their straight or direct to funded, so I'm not sure. I may have misspoke. It might be end of day drawdown. I can't remember. I know
On
there's a difference.
Tradeify?
Yeah, well, there's a difference between advanced and what's the other one? Growth? Oh, I can't remember what they call the other one. Okay, I have 2 days traded. Do not go below your $2,000 trailing drawdown. It doesn't say. I guess if I click start a new challenge, that might tell me. Advanced is no, it's intraday. So the advanced accounts are intraday drawdown mode.
In the eval and in the PA?
I'm not sure. I haven't got to the PA stage yet, but the growth accounts are end of day trailing drawdown in the eval, but they're much more expensive. That's why I got the advanced ones, because they're cheaper.
Harmonic NQ on the 3.
All right, who said they're targeting NQ Scalper says he's targeting 405 in gold.
Come on, NQ, push up there. Stop toying with me. NQ's thinking this is the bottom. Yeah, Brian, I've done that 15 times with Tradeify. 15 times. Got close to payouts multiple times and then went full retard. As, John would, as our buddy John would call it. So I told myself, I put myself on timeout, went to sim trading only for a couple weeks. You guys witnessed that a few weeks ago. and then started kind of getting back into the game. But I said no more direct to funded accounts. I can't afford to keep buying those and blowing them up. That's stupid. So I liked the way the advanced looks, and I've been trying to get accustomed to the intraday drawdown so I can get back in the Apex game. And then Take Profit Trader uses that same thing once you get to sim funded too. So trying to get used to that intraday trailing drawdown again. It's tough though. It's tough for me.
Fat Boy Burger, where was awesome. Wait, so there's a Fat Boy Burger. Oh my God, look at this thing. Holy cow.
What?
The Fat Boy Burger.
Oh, at Burger King?
No, this is in Winnipeg. I don't know if you guys can see it. I just put it up on the main screen. There you go, Missile. That is a Fat Boy Burger. Holy cow. That is crazy. I think my blood pressure just went up 10 points just looking at the damn thing.
You got to use a fork and a knife, Missile.
Fork
yes,
and a knife. You got to use a backhoe.
Sir Sam, yes, this is the NQ futures. Is there a consistency rule for ETF? I believe so. Bob?
I think it's 40%.
There you go. Who asked that? Brian.
Hey, Brian, I maintain 30% on mine just to be on the safe side. And it's tough. It's tough. All right,
Hey,
currently. Hey, Pete, what's going on?
I see 50 likes, Bob. How late are you going to stream?
How many likes do we have?
I see 50.
Oh, let's keep going then.
All right.
We currently have 5,000 people watching, and I don't know how in the hell that's going on. I really don't. I mean, we haven't
got to
dropped.
entertain the folks.
So, I mean, are we really getting that many viewers?
I doubt it. We'd have a lot more likes and a lot more chats.
So I guess they're falling off. Hey, look, I got a place that says chat revenue. We've made a grand total of $0 tonight.
All right. So Pete says, let's talk about how to double an account within a day. So Pete, I've done that many times, but the problem is the behavior it takes to do that will also blow that account the following day. At least in my case.
All right, I got to call the ball no later than 12:15 tonight.
All right, let's see if we can get there. Maybe my bad mood will turn around if NQ can at least let me out of this damn mess I'm in.
Hey, Coop. I saw that earlier. I know some other streamers who are not having that issue, but have had that issue in the past.
Harmonic
or this
GC
issue in the
on
past.
the 3. Harmonic GC on the 3.
For 7 days. He was up at 24,000 viewers today. Hey, Kenny, I got him beat. Last night we were up over 65, almost 65, over 65,000 viewers last night.
Crazy.
I know, right?
Yeah, I'm sure YouTube's working on a way to, fix that issue.
Okay. I did not like that noise. All right, guys, can type a 1 if you can still hear me.
I can hear you.
guys in the chat. It's kind of like my. Okay,
I'm
all right,
seeing
good.
one.
Okay,
All right,
okay,
good.
good. I don't know what that noise was. Gold is trying to make its way back down. I almost shorted gold again, but since I had such massive luck with that earlier. No, Austin, it wasn't the smoke alarm. It came through my headphones. Knock on wood.
You know what it was? It's NQ buying pressure, finally. Oh, jeez.
Let's go.
Let me out of this trade. I promise I'll never do it again. Oh, man.
All right, somebody was in this long with me, and I can't remember, other than you.
Dude, I see 57 likes. 7 more people liked it in the last couple of minutes. Thank you, guys. We appreciate that.
I'm telling you, I think we really do have 4,500 viewers.
If there's any of you listening in and you haven't said hi yet in the chat, do me a favor, say hi. We'd love to hear from you.
Oh, look at that. I missed it. We are now at 905 subscribers, Jesse.
All right, so that's 7 new ones tonight, right?
7 new ones tonight. Yes,
All
it
right.
is.
We had what, 10 last night, 10 the
night before,
Thursday night, yeah.
Sunday night. Tonight.
So they're trying to
Tuesday.
spam. Yeah, they're trying to spam us, but it's actually working. So thank you, David Maloney. We appreciate that.
Or whatever his name really is. All right, Austin is long on the NQ. Chad, I'm in NQ long also. All right, Missile is probably listening to all of this and going short.
Missile's over there saying, these retail fucks, I'm going to get them.
That's right. Careful now. We got Anna in the room. She's got kids.
Sorry, Anna. Sorry. Plug the kids' ears. Sorry.
Oh, there go our subscribers. Right out the window. I got 59 likes.
I see 60. Yeah, boy, you guys are pumping it up. Thank you. We appreciate that.
Absolutely.
And if you're not subscribed yet, we are here. We try to trade every night that the market is open. So if you're enjoying hanging out with Bob and I, sometimes John's here too, hit that subscribe button.
I tell you, getting a visit from John is going to be sporadic for the next 2 or 3 months. Actually, 4 months.
He's being a nomad.
Yeah, he is definitely nomading it. Yeah, Missile, Anna is really an Anna. And she's got a couple of cute kids, and they like squishmallows. Melons, squishmallows. I can't remember what they're called. All I know is I got a daughter named Anna, and she likes squishmallows. Oh, there goes NQ. There
Come on,
goes
NQ. Let's go.
Let's
Come
go.
on. Don't stop there. Let's go. My average entry now is 965.50.
I'm a little bummed I didn't get a chance to double up on my NQ there.
Let me out. Let me out. I will never do it again. I promise. Oh, come on. Keep pushing. Dude, keep pushing. Holy smokes. In fact, I think what I'm going to do is get ready to start having off of this thing. Come on. Give me one more push. Come on, baby. Yes, sir, Sam. This is NASDAQ. NQ Futures. Uh-oh. Just got a down arrow. Damn it. Don't
Hey,
you
Sam,
do it.
how's it going, man?
Be the one that doesn't work, please. Come on, NQ. Come on.
I really think we got a long way to go on the NQ.
Up or down?
Up.
Oof. Please. I hope. Ugh. Sell pressure. Sell pressure.
Okay, it looks like my trailing stop kicked in. I don't want that to kick in yet. So I'm going to back that back down there.
Good job, Liberty. Good save on that.
There you go, Liberty. Yeah, I would have ended up making some, but I took my $1,000 hit. I don't disagree with you. I don't disagree with him either, Jesse.
Really? 100 points? My God, tonight?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Hell, I'd be happy with 100 ticks.
Yeah.
Pete, I'm not in the right mindset to discuss that. Obviously, I can't even manage one trade properly tonight. Let's see. The most days that I've had in a row that got me to a payout was back when Apex was requiring, before Apex 2.0, what was it, 8 trade days or 10? I think it was 10. I think it was 10.
You just got a blue Smurf dot.
Okay, it's a tiny, yeah, it's a small little pattern though. Hopefully it does push.
Hey,
Come
man,
on, NQ.
look. Dude, quit being a Debbie Downer.
I'm not. I was answering Pete. So Pete, yes, I actually have done 10 days. Back when Apex required 10 trading days to get in between payouts, I did that twice in a row. So that would be 20 winning days in a row. Now lately, I have not been able to do that. I think I've got 6 days in a row. A few times in the previous couple months. So I've got a little work to do on my end, Pete. Oh, doubling the account in a day, 10 days in a row. No, I've never done that. That'd be pretty sweet. And I'm certainly not going to be able to do that trading micros, I don't think. But I have been consistently doing right around $700 to $900 a day, or each trading session, using micros only. So that's been a pretty big change for me. I just started doing micros, I don't know, a week ago or something.
You said the same thing last week, and I had to remind you. It was 2 weeks prior to last week that you had made the switch. You've been trading micros now for 3 weeks, Jesse.
I don't think so. Somebody rewind the tape. Bob's tripping.
Oh, I love it. Jesse, I love you. I know these guys were in here last week when we had this very same discussion that you said.
Well, yeah, just because you said it doesn't make it true. Bob could be wrong. Jesse could be right, folks?
Brian says, I think he's right. So just specify there, Brian. You think who's right, Bob or Jesse?
Rewind the tape, folks. 2 weeks back on our streams, and let's see if big old Jesse was trading micros. Oh, come on, NQ. Push. It's trying, Bob. It's trying. Look at it. Look at it. Your Smurf dot might be doing me a favor here, buddy. Come on.
Well, it did crack the big maroon dot, too.
Everybody, please cross your fingers and your toes. Oh, boy. For a month or so? Come on. A month.
Trading micro. Like... I think it's been a month. I'm going back in time and I'm looking at my chats. I'm trying to find a date. So,
oh yeah, because we did a text message. I texted the group.
Yes, you
saying,
did.
Hey, I got something to run by you guys.
Yeah.
If we could do a group talk. That's right. That's the date I started doing micros.
Boy, we
So-
text a lot. Holy cow.
Yeah, we do. We're like a little group of girls.
So I can tell you that happened before John left here. And John's been gone 2 weeks now.
No, Brian, I didn't do micros right then because I was on sim trading with minis still for a couple weeks when that happened. But you are right on the timeline. Bob's going to find it. He's looking in our group chat. We will have an exact date here in a moment. And I hope I don't have to put my big old size 13 foot in my mouth.
Man, we send a bunch of texts.
Pete, what's special about it is that you can start small, and if the trade goes against you, but the overall idea is still valid, you can add to it. Safer. Safer, that's... I like to scale in and out of the trade, and it's easier to do with micros for me. And it's
Okay.
not-
Monday, April 21st, 3:56 p.m. from Jesse B.
Wait. You said 21st?
Monday, April 21st.
Okay, that's exactly 2 weeks. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. 2 weeks.
And the text goes, okay, here are the results from my first week of trading nothing but micros.
Oh, shoot. That's the first week. I spoke too soon. Okay, it's been 3 weeks. 3 weeks. I was still right. All right, we're both right. Oh, boy.
All right, guys in the chat. Folks in the chat, just remember this. So the next week when he comes back and says, I've been trading micros for a week now.
No, I didn't say a week.
That's exactly
Come
what you
on.
said.
I said a couple weeks. A couple weeks. It's 3.
Oh, I love
It's
you, man. I love
3.
ya.
You guys are making it sound like I've been doing it for 6 months. Come on, y'all. Oh, shit. What was somebody saying here?
I think it was haha, got him.
No, Austin says odd flex, but okay. It's not a flex. I got myself in timeout here. I got to. That's what the market will do to you. You know, you get a bunch of payouts. You're doing great. You get confident. You get cocky, and then it smacks you around a little bit. So
It
I
just
had
says,
to.
hey, you think you know what you're doing, but I'm going to show you that you don't.
So, you know, the market changes and stuff, right? So I switched down to micros to take it easy and ease back into things. So that's probably the safe thing to do for me. 2 weeks ago.
Gold is doing another return trip.
Down?
Oh, yeah.
That's good for my NQ trade, hopefully.
Hopefully.
If gold drops, NQ should go up.
You know, it's kind of like the cost of oil and the cost of gas at the pump. If oil goes up, the price of the pump goes up immediately. If oil goes down, man, does it take forever to come down. At the pump.
Exactly. Okay, here's a push. I'm hearing buyers. Let's go. Please let me get the hell out of this trade.
That's awesome, Brian.
Great. Yeah. I'm pretty consistent, Brian, too. I've been consistent at like 700 to 900 a day, but
I'm consistent too. I consistently blow up shit.
yeah, that's true. That's right. I'm consistent until I have a full retard moment and I blow everything up. That's my problem. That's why I switched to micro. So we'll see. Also, my wife wants to start learning trading futures too. I mean, she knows the basics because she watches me, but she wants to get in on it, and I think the best thing is to start with micros there. So
Missile, it's a real good ideology, I promise you. I do that only because I have a hard enough time remembering what I had for lunch yesterday. So if I tell a lie, no way I can remember that shit anymore.
Mm-hmm.
Gold's still coming down.
Exactly, Brian. I was doing 2K, 3K days pretty consistently there, and then Bob was like, dude, that's not realistic, bro. Be careful. And then sure enough, boom, blow up. So I could do that for 3, 4, 5 days and then blow everything up. And then repeat, rinse and repeat over and over.
That's really why I have no problem with the 40% consistency rule. Man, just if you've got that many accounts, dude, get your 400 or 500 in per account and let's go. Hey, Jesse, nice little push there.
Yeah, I'm almost back to break even on this bad boy.
So, where is break even for you?
965.50.
Okay.
And as soon as we get there, I'm going to start scaling out of this thing. I might leave 5 on. I'm up to 30. Jeez. Thank you, Austin.
So I disengaged my trailing stop because I just want this. I think I really do think we're going to revisit the highs of the day.
Do you see anything in our way, Bob? Wink, wink.
So I see a path to 74.
74. Okay, I'll take it all day long. Let's go.
But the tide is telling me different. The tide is telling me a lot higher. The tide is telling me we can be looking at 2060 easily.
Okay. Kevin Lolo. What's the change from the blow day to the previous? Yeah, exactly. It's the over leverage. It's exactly it, right? You have 3 or 4 days in a row doing multiple thousands each day across multiple accounts. What happens is I get a little cocky, a little confident, and I put 3 contracts on instead of 1. Well, if that trade idea was wrong, most of these prop firm accounts don't have enough drawdown to be wrong enough to be right, but wrong enough, if that makes sense, right? The trade idea was right, but you're early and you don't have enough drawdown to wait it out. So had I put just 1 contract on, maybe I could have, and then added to it as it came back in my direction. So it's over leveraging is the problem for me. That's why I switched down to micros, and that shouldn't be an issue, except for tonight. Definitely an issue.
Hey, Legacy, no, I took my hit. I took my punishment. I took my $1,000 hit, and I actually had one that blew up because it wasn't on the micros like I thought it was. So when I was 9 cars deep, I heard a funny noise, and that was me getting stopped out on Trade Evade. So number 84 has been 86th. But the other ones are coming back. We're up nicely in this trade. Now this is just 1 micro. And I'm pretty much done trading for the night. Because I'm punishing myself. Because I actually was totally into a short trade on the NQ, stalking it from left to right, had the perfect read. I was totally dialed in, and I got squirreled. As soon as gold took off, I was like, oh, I want a piece of that action. I'm like, it's going to reverse. Totally took my eye off the trade that I was stalking and FOMO'd into something I hadn't even looked at all night. And got my ass handed to me. And so look back down, and the trade that I was stalking had targeted, zeroed in, dialed in, looking for the picture perfect pinpoint entry, and it hit it.
It absolutely hit it. And I totally missed it. And I would have just racked up incredibly on that one. So since I was stupid and decided to go chase the the cheap hooker on the corner rather than stay married to the wife there in that one trade, I'm punishing myself. I did get one trade in NQ that got me half of my money back.
Sorry, Anna.
Oh, yeah, sorry, Anna. I
And
forgot
yes,
about
Kevin. Yes, Kevin. Discipline is the problem. That is true for me. For me,
discipline is that is absolutely the truth. And I said it about 6 months ago. Be disciplined, but more importantly, stay disciplined.
That's the hard part.
And it can't just be a soundbite. It's got to be a religion. So that's why I put myself in the doghouse tonight. That's why I'm in the penalty box. That's why I'm not taking any more trades other than this one micro. And if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. There you go, Austin. Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate it. Yeah, missile. Oh, man. All right, we are close to the top of the hour. I'm showing 59 likes. How many are you showing? But I can't believe we still got 3,450 people watching.
Yep. If any of you are real, say hi.
We are up. Jesse, we are up to 908 subscribers.
Well, that means some of them are real.
Yeah, we
They're
got
just
10
being
new.
shy.
We got 10 new ones tonight.
People are just being shy. Say hi in the chat. We won't bite. Well, Bob does sometimes.
Hey, Tommy Stark.
What's up, Tommy? Good trade there, Pete. Pete got a little money off that short on gold. Good job. Oh, come on, NQ. Don't you give it up already.
Pete B's real people. Pete is real people.
Okay, so Tommy's thinking long on this pullback. All right. I'm still holding out hope for my long on NQ here then.
Man, did you thin the herd as you got closer to the top?
I didn't. I was gonna. I was getting ready to, but it never quite got to break even. It got close. I probably should have. I might regret that.
No.
I do have my finger on the sell button though.
See, here's the logic on that, because I know that at one point you were at 20 cars deep, and then it went lower and you were 30 cars deep. Well, to me, the ones that you had at 30 cars deep, you could have taken the profit on those as you got closer to break even, because those were definitely in the money.
No, it takes the ones off. So it takes the ones off that you're down the most on first.
Oh no, I get that. I get that. But you could have thinned the herd, and your DCA would have gone way down.
Yeah, it would have. Yep. Woulda, coulda, shoulda.
No. I'm just trying to explain it to those that don't know in the chat.
Yep.
Because, I it's a thought that is real easy to have sitting here in the coach's chair, sitting on the sideline, sitting in the Monday morning quarterback chair. So I just wanted to first in, first out, FIFO. Yeah, but then it reverts back to LIFO. Now, I mean, not LIFO, but the next one, right? So you do thin the herd. Yeah, you take a little bit of a hit, but you've already taken that hit in the way of drawdown.
Yeah,
so what
exactly.
difference does it make? But here's the point.
if you go ahead and take that profit as you get closer to your break even, as long as it's above your entry on there, technically you've made money. You thin the herd, it backs down, you can climb that mountain all over again. But now if it goes back down, you're really not doing yourself any favors.
Nope,
So-
taking full drawdown again.
Yeah.
I love it, Missile. FAFOFAF.
FIIJOM. Yeah, that's right, Austin. You already lost the drawdown. So what does it matter? If you can take your profit and look for a better re-entry. In fact, I got a buddy who told me, he says, when you DCA like that and you get back to break even, you've made enough. It's not like you're taking the full hit. Go ahead and close the whole trade and then get a better re-entry with a thinner herd. And again, this is real easy to think about and to point out as I'm really not in that trade. When you're in that trade, a lot of this goes in one ear and out the other.
Yeah, because you're holding out hope to just see some green. You know, it's like when you're 30 deep, you're like, Jesus, let's go, come on.
That's right.
What's up, Jeff?
Hey, Jeff Koski, I should have taken this profit when I was up 50 ticks.
Yeah, tell me about it. I should have taken that out when we were almost up to my break even. Again, that was like.
Hey, you know what, Missile? That's a great idea. I'm gonna go ahead and hit that Seagar out back and check on his bike. Jesse, I'll be back in just a bit.
All right.
I'm gonna go visit Mr. Arturo Fuente, and we're gonna share a Hemingway.
All right.
All right, I'll be right back.
I'm thinking it's time to reload my Zen pouch here. What do y'all think? All right, Jeff, congrats on that. Glad to hear the dogs are doing great. Hey, Kevin says hopium. Yeah, exactly. I mean, I've been in this trade all friggin' night, even from this afternoon when I was at work. I've had multiple opportunities to just get out. Actually, multiple opportunities to get out with, 20, 30 bucks of profit. Never took them, and now it's like full pain. Okay, so Austin, think we see a continuation up. Austin's long. Chris says hopes it gives a little pop. Yeah, I hope. Jeez Louise, it's pulling back though. Yeah, it's pulling back. I've got Tradivate open, watching my drawdown on all the accounts. I don't want to let it get too far out of hand. Okay, Sam is in along. All right. Let's go. Several of us in along. It makes me feel a little better. My dogs have always loved crates. In fact, the dog I have right now, she's the first dog that I've had in my whole life that didn't have a crate. All my dogs have been crate trained, That's their bed, that's their safe place, their little home. They all love it. They go in there on their own. In fact, I don't even shut the crate doors. But my current dog, I don't even think she's ever seen a crate. I don't even own one anymore. All right. Time for a new Zen. Oh, NQ. Jeez Louise. This is nuts. I mean, it's not like anything crazy happened. There's no bad news, no bombs being dropped anywhere. And she just wants to give up the ghost ever since this afternoon. Unbelievable. Yay. Oh boy. That's not good. What's up, Ace? That was one hell of a rip down right there, huh? Next stop, 920. Huh. Well, that took out 3 of my 5 accounts, fellas, ladies and gents. Somehow 2 of them survived. That's weird. Well, that stinks. 3 accounts blown up in the positive. Above 50K. Damn it, I hate when that happens. That's that intraday trailing drawdown for you. It's my fault, though, for letting myself get that far underwater. Not smart. But, alright, well, it's pushing back up. We've got 2 accounts still going here. I'm not sure how 2 accounts survived that, because they're on a trade copier and they have the exact same entry price. To the penny, even. Weird. Tommy, that was the shortest trade you've ever been in? I bet. Flip the matrix. Yeah, I guess so. That's all right. It'll probably try to rip down one more time and it'll tag those other 2 accounts. I'm not going to close it out. I'll just let it. I'm at that point now where it's like, F it. Take the other 2 accounts or get me back up there and they'll survive. We'll see. What did I miss? Hold on, I missed something. Let me scroll up.
All right, Jesse, I'm back.
All right, you missed a nasty dropout that zapped 3 of my 5 accounts.
Oh no.
Yep. It was given a little bit of hopium and then boom.
Oh man.
In a split second, it dropped out like nuts. It was crazy.
All right. I'm gonna add
Order filled.
Not that many. I hit the wrong button. Okay. Did not mean to add that many.
Were you on the wrong ATM?
Yeah, I was on the wrong chart.
Mark is 75 micros short. Woo-wee, that's a lot.
All right, well, I guess we are 4 micros deep in this.
All right, Casey, have fun at the gym, buddy.
All right, Casey, you have a good one, buddy.
Go ahead and say it, Jesse. How about them glutes? A lot changed in high school, huh, Stacy? All right, whoever said they're short 75 micros, that's looking pretty good right now. It's a protein shake. It's not Dooth. Well, I'm hearing buying pressure here. Let's see. All right, Brian. Have a good night, buddy.
Brian, good to see you. Thanks for coming by, man.
Order filled.
James, good night to you too, my friend. Thanks for being here.
Thanks, James. Appreciate you coming by.
It's trying to push. I heard that buying pressure. I called it out earlier, but I mean, it hasn't pushed that far yet. Uh-oh, Mark didn't take the profits on his 75 micros. Oh, no.
Okay, I'm going to push that runner up high. And I'm going to get out of these two. I want to take that. Let's see. I'm going to take the profit on those first two first. Not going to move those.
That would be insane if these two accounts survive this. Oh, boy.
All right, NQ, let's go.
All right, Jason, good job.
Awesome. Missile, that was a good cigar. And your bike is still out there.
Bob was riding wheelies.
And still no trade copier.
Yeah, there you go. But just imagine if you had 1755 times 20 accounts. Woo-wee.
Gold is starting its drop again. Hopefully that results in a nice little push on the NQ.
Okay. $910 subscribers, Jesse. Wow. Getting it. That's 12 new ones tonight, right?
That is 12 new subscribers.
All
Thanks,
right.
everybody. We are 90 away from our goal of 1,000 subscribers.
Sweet.
Let's go into. I heard a little bit of buying. Jason John is traveling throughout the country. Come on, buyers, step up. Let's go, Bob. Let's go, NQ. Let's go. I'm going to go ahead and shed those.
Order
two.
filled.
I've got, now that leaves me with my two. And I'm going to disengage the auto break even. And I am going to disengage the auto trail.
Stelp says a 24-hour stream at 1,000 subscribers. Let's go.
There you go, man.
I think Bob's come pretty close to doing that before.
Yeah. Yes, I
I think
have.
you've done at least a 12-hour, I think.
I know. There was, yeah.
Order filled.
There you go, Andrew. Good trade.
All right, Pineapple Pete, man, sorry about that. Sorry we couldn't live up to your expectations there, buddy. Yeah, it is, Missile.
All right, let me go get a refill on the water. I'll be right back.
Okay, Jesse.
I didn't blow you. Blew me off into blowing accounts. I'm blowing everything. I'll be right back.
Go for it, man. All right, we are 2 micros long. I
think I'm going to stack these up there and guarantee a little bit of profit in case it snaps back on me. And I'll find a better re-entry. See if we can get a nice little push and we'll move it up a little bit more. A lot of coffee. All right. Let's secure a little bit more profit there. Let's see if we can get this thing to go up. Oh man, Jeff, sorry to hear that. Move that up a little bit more. Secure a little bit more profit. If NQ comes back on me, we'll wait for a better re-entry.
All right, I'm back.
Hopefully this thing keeps pushing up there, Jesse.
Yeah, I see 2 accounts are almost back to break even again.
Gold is on the rise.
On the rise, okay. Boy, I'm going to be pissed if these 2 accounts survive this and make me some money tonight.
That's going to piss you off.
I guess I'll be kind of happy, but pissed off about those other 3. Darn it. Yeah, so the drawdown is a negative 37 bucks on those 3 accounts, so they just barely got tagged out. Dang.
It's like they know, Jesse. It's like they know.
Yeah, they know. What's up, Chris? Good to see you.
Hey, Chris, what's happening?
I haven't seen the new one. I don't know if it's any good. Anybody
Yes.
seen the new Top Gun?
Yes. Very good. I enjoyed it.
I'll have to check it out. Okay, Luke is short on gold. Looking to retrace back to that breakup candle.
And no, the answer to your question is, Chris, no. I like the original Top Gun better, but there are a lot of things in the Top Gun Maverick that I did like. The CGI was absolutely great. All right, we're gonna grab a little bit of that profit.
Look at that. Almost, but it's wicking my break even. Wow. With only 2 of my accounts, this bastard. Unbelievable. I think I'm just gonna hold the whole 30 friggin' contracts then, and just see if I can't pass these last 2 accounts in one trade. Well, actually, that's not fair. I did $900 earlier, so I guess it would be 2 trades.
Now we are just now testing the swing high.
Yep.
I think I'm gonna chase it a little bit more. One of them I'm going to get a little bit closer. I'm gonna leave the other one back at 20. Not so sure. I don't mind just thinning the herd a little bit here, in case it decides to snatch back at me. ticks, 84, 86, 95 will readjust.
Oh, I see green. Oh, I see green. Look at that. Wow. Unbelievable.
Hey, I would like to find 1,000 ticks as well there, Chris. Oh, don't come back too much. Don't come back too much. I don't mind thinning this out a little bit, but I was hoping we get to 74 first. That was definitely a nice little pop there.
Order
go ahead
filled.
and take one off. I got the other one. We're going to stack it up 20 ticks tight.
Nice trade there, Bob.
Thank you. It's a micro.
Well, it's several micros.
It was several micros. I have thinned the herd.
Ooh, I'm seeing a bunch of buyers on the tape. Above the ask buyers too, so that's
good.
Aggressive. People hitting buy market. Let's see.
Are you seeing that on your market analyzer?
Yep. No, I'm just watching the actual time and sales tape, but yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's there too. It's there too.
Okay.
It didn't really move price, but it means that there are willing buyers, market buyers too, right here. So that could be late Nate, but it could send it ripping north. Let's see. Oh, there's a whole nother slew of them. Woo! A lot of market buyers right now. Let's see. This is on the MNQ. Sorry, I should clarify that.
Well, we do have the I have NQ blown up tonight, but I can switch it over. I was only doing that for Jesse.
Oh yeah, because I was stuck in this trade for hours now. Plus, Gold was being a butthead earlier to Bob. I said, switch to NQ.
Boy, you are really making me practice my Spanish tonight. So yeah, I am definitely thinking there is an order flow event that's going to happen tonight. Let's see, at night there is usually an event, order flow in order flow bubble. Something about a bubble. All right, I think it's getting ready to stop me out.
Well, in profit though.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I got a 20 tick stop on there. Okay. Pick a language, Chris.
Chris is exercising his Spanish tonight.
No, he's not. He's practicing Spanish and German in the same sentence.
German, jeez.
He's really putting me to the test here. Man.
Chris. There's the push. Let's see if they can hold it.
It didn't stop me out.
There's quite a bit of buy pressure right here. Let's see if they can overwhelm the sellers.
Okay, so what Chris is trying to say is there's going to be order flow in Spanish, but there's going to be a late evening bubble. He's saying there's going to be a late evening bubble. All right. Jeez. As if this wasn't tough enough.
Keeping you on your toes.
Man. I'm good with Spanish or German or Latin, but not all in the same sentence. All right, we just got a green dot on the threes. NQ3s. Let's give it a go. Let's push it. Oh,
all right,
just got a red dot. Just got a red dot. Move my stop to the back of the green dot. All right, Andrew, you have a great night too. Definitely don't push your luck. Take your profits and go. That's what I'm thinking. We are at the bottom half of the hour. It is 11:30. Been in this trade a while. Definitely up. It's been a good trade. I want to let it go, but I don't want to give up all the profits either, in hopes that it does regain that territory. Plus, we got to get Jesse out of this trade. Let's get it up. Let's get it up.
Well, it's green. Did
you shed some of the load?
No, I said F it. I'm going to hold them all and go for a big move here. Why not? It already took my other 3 accounts. Now I'm pissed. Oh, boy. There we go. Look at it go. I'm up $271. Let's go. There we go. $700.
Nice.
And maybe I'll take some off now.
Nice. Oh, let's run it up. Let's go.
Okay, I'm down to 5.
I still got my 1.
Okay, I'm holding 3.
Okay, I think it's going to stop me out this time. I want to snug that stop up.
Okay, realized profits on the 2 remaining accounts is 463. Unrealized is another 170 right now with 3 micros on.
Awesome. There you go. Way to hang in there, boss.
Thank you, I appreciate it, but I am pretty pissed off those 3 accounts blew up with only $37. Ugh. Ay, ay, ay.
Shoulda, woulda, coulda.
Yeah, it's my fault for letting it get that bad, so. Got nobody to blame but myself.
I'm going to keep this stop tight. Hopefully it'll just keep pushing away from me.
Okay, I took another 2 off. I'm down to 1 micro.
Let's go.
Yep, let's go. I moved my target up to, I'm front running the opening price way up there, 20,006. We'll see if it gets there. I don't think so, but we'll see.
I think I'm getting ready to get stopped out. I've got my stop pretty tight right now. Kind of running into a wall. Let's go. Boy,
Wow,
wouldn't that
it's
be awesome?
pushing.
It's got a lot of territory to get back.
Imagine if I held all 30 of those micros all the way up to here. Jeez.
I know, right?
I probably would have passed this account.
Yeah,
Both
but
of
that's the
these
kind of
accounts.
logic that gets us in trouble, Jesse.
Yeah, I know.
Shoulda, woulda, coulda.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, so realized I got 588 on the night, and I'm up on this final micro. I'm up $70 right now. So I'm going to call that a successful night overall, I guess. Oh, man. I got to wait till payday on Friday to reset those 3 Tradify accounts.
Uh-oh. Okay. Can we get to 2,000? Even 1990 would be a good start. Let's go. I'm not moving my stop. I'm not moving my stop. Only way I'm moving my stop is up.
Exactly. We got those 3 double deltas, though it might be getting ready to dump out on us. Austin says we got a naked POC up at 62.
I am 1 tick away. I'm a 1 tick wonder. How that didn't stop me out, I don't know. That is so funny. Green dot. I am not moving my stop.
Don't you do it.
Not going to do it. Not going to do it. Up 145 ticks on this trade.
Nice.
There you go. Chad's knocking it out of the park.
Ace 2. Good job, Ace.
And it hates me.
Man.
Yeah, but Chris, are you going to do it in Spanish or German?
Or both. I'm still holding on to this micro. I'm up, well, I don't know how many ticks it is. 130 ticks. 131 ticks. What's yours, Bob? 150?
Right now I'm up 145.
Wow.
And my stop is at 139. Now I'm down to 142.
So you even got a better entry than my final DCA that I put on earlier.
Yeah.
Good job.
143. 943 was my entry.
Yeah, mine's 947. Let's see if it'll push again up to 20,000. Let's see. I don't know, it's certainly exhausted here.
Man, it just having a tough time getting above 980. I will absolutely play your song on the stream. As long as you don't copyright it.
Yeah. This is a nice little push up here. Right back to VWAP. Well, almost. Well, did we hit it? We came close. Let me zoom in. Yeah, we wicked VWAP. Just barely, I think.
I am 2 ticks away.
Sellers on the tape. Sell
Yeah.
pressure.
1 tick,
Order filled.
and I
There
am
it goes.
out.
Oh, now a bunch of buyers on the tape. It's gonna tick you out and then go.
Oh yeah, no doubt. But that's okay. That's okay. I wasn't moving my, and there it goes. You bitch. That's all right. That's all right. You still in, Jesse?
Yeah, still got this final micro on. I'm up $70 on it, $71. There it goes. It's gonna
Yeah,
go.
if
I'm
you-
seeing buyers.
If you can just get above 185.
Oh, there's sellers. Sellers are showing up on the tape.
Hang
Pretty
on.
heavy.
Hang
too.
on. There you go. 185 is gone. Next stop,
Yep,
2,000.
Yep, there they go. Buyers, buyers, buyers. They're trying to push it. Let's go.
I see it. I see it. Titanic zone.
Yeah, those last three maybe. Yeah, that first one's too far away, but yeah, I think I would call that out too. The last one is a little far away, but it's still there. I think that's still a zone.
About 10 minutes apart. So Jesse, there was a shark. I got in on a shark back over on the tide. And I actually missed my entry on it. I think I was out with Arturo Fuente. But when I came back in, I grabbed that shark on the tide and caught it for a good part of 2 solid 89 tick bars.
Wow.
Yeah, so that was good. All right, Chris, I will absolutely go check it out.
Okay, so these two Tradify accounts are now up $1,500. So I'm halfway to passing these bad boys. Now, on the advanced accounts, you can pass in one day. I haven't tried to do that, but I don't have to trade 5 days or anything like that. So maybe, with a little luck, I'll pass these bad boys this week. I still can't believe I let that trade go that far against me. Ugh. Stupid. Come on, NQ, give us one more push.
All right, so Chris put it where in there?
I think there's a
Which
channel for the
song?
song competition. Hey, Brian, I used the AlgoBox trade copier. It's built into AlgoBox.
Here comes gold
It's on the rise?
on the fall.
Okay, good. I'm going to hold on to this then as NQ trade.
All right, that's got to be a way to. Let's see, Chris. Hey, Chris, what is your? I linked it in the main chat. Okay.
Brian, forgive me for not remembering, but Brian, do you have AlgoBox? If so, then yeah, you've got the copier. If you don't, then the other boys use Replicanto. It's got a bunch of bells and whistles, though, that I don't necessarily need right now at this point in my futures journey, but I've been eyeballing it just to cross-trade micros and stuff like that. But the AlgoBox one is rock solid. I've never had an issue with it, and it's lightning fast, too. But like Vinny says, it's got no bells and whistles. It's just copies from one account to all the other accounts.
All right, we're going to put our music on hold. This is going to be completely uncensored. So I hope before I play this, Chris, I'm not going to get busted, am I?
Hold on, let me bring up my browser. I want to listen to it. Hold on, let me get on the chat, or let me get on the screen.
I'll give you a minute.
All right, I'm in.
Let me turn.
Let it.
All right, I'm gonna pause my music. Let's see here. Can you hear it?
I'm not hearing any music yet.
Huh. Okay.
Yours is paused though. Yours is paused.
All right, I got to figure out how to. Let's see here. All right, give me just a minute. I'm gonna download this. All right, I'm downloading it. Give me a minute to turn it into to a file that I can play with. I'm gonna turn the music back on while I'm doing this in the background. Jesse, you just keep focusing on your trade there, buddy.
Okay, I'm gonna mute the stream for a moment. Let me know when you're ready.
I will absolutely do it. All right.
Ooh, I'm hearing sellers. Oh, there's a lot of selling pressure right here. But they're not necessarily moving the price all that much. So, Chris, is it you doing the lyrics, or did you hire an AI bot to sing it for you? I'm just curious.
All right. Am I back? Hello?
Okay, I think you're back.
Hello? Can anybody hear me?
Yep, we're back.
All right. My OBS crashed. Sorry about that, folks. I was trying to bring that song in. All right, so let's move that out of the way. All right, so let's go to downloads, the Late Nate bubble. Copy that. Let's go into videos. And let's go to AlgoBox. The Late Nate bubble. All right, so now what we want to do, let's go over here. All right. Media source. Okay. Browse. Go there. Go there. Go there.
You just slipped the matrix, Jesse! Blow up boys and the building.
Fib.NQ
There we
on
go.
the 9.
NQ's pushing. Let's go. Austin, yeah, I'm still holding it too. Oh.
All right, Jesse, let me know when you get a chance to switch over to the stream.
I'm in. I'm live, and I heard it for a second. Let her rip. Let's go.
All right, I'm going to pause the music, and here we go. This is Chris from Arkansas's debut. Let's go.
You just slipped the matrix, Jesse!
Okay, I can't
Blow
hear it.
up
Can y'all hear it?
boys and the building. Late Nate. We ride at midnight. Jeff said blew the 300K, shorted silver 12 deep, no delay. Tinfoil hats reset the play. Try to evade, whisper in my algo way. Glutes night, KC hits the gym. Meanwhile, NQ flickers dim. Mark's got 17 micros in. Didn't take profit, let's spin again. Pineapple Pete got ghosted bad. Said Jesse blew me off, man that's sad. Looking for a squad to double the day. Pay some bills, make that trade. Late Nate bubble, see the cross, see the spark. Order flow, dancing in the dark. On 400 ticks if you don't get clipped. Mavericks flying, tighten the grip. Late Nate bubble, red dot breaking fast. Don't chase it, Vinny said last. Bird, pull that trigger, hit the zone. Tonight the market's a war zone. Get above VWAP, bag screams. Holding for M and Q like dreams. Weekly fast sitting at the gate. Market makers heard, too late. Gold's a buzz, This bubble never sleeps.
Dude, that is badass. I think we need to do that every night, Bob. That is sick.
I am awesome. That was awesome. That was awesome. All right, can you guys hear me now?
Wow. Chris, good job, dude. That was cool.
Fib.gc on the 3.
Oh, man.
Can you guys hear me?
Yes, Bob, we
Okay.
hear you. That was badass, man. Woo, good job, Chris.
All right. Wow.
The AlgoBox army never accept defeat. I loved that line. That was sweet. I never even saw that in the chat, but that was perfect.
Shane, you missed that was a great song.
That's awesome. Good job, Chris.
Hey, Chris, do I have your permission to use that? We may make that our intro.
That's got to be the intro, Bob. Yes.
All right.
I love it. That's cool. Good job, Chris.
Very much so. Dude. Okay. I gotta do something with my headphones here. All right, where was that clicker? Can you hear me now?
Yeah, we hear you.
Guessing. Yeah, I lost my so when I did all this. Okay, I think we're okay. I hear an echo. That's what's going on here. All right, Chris, I'm definitely going to use it.
It's probably because you're listening to the stream also, I would imagine. Do you have the stream open? And
no, I don't. I turned it off. That's all right.
That's so cool. Great song, Chris. Good job, man.
So we're going to use that for our extra too. That's awesome.
Yeah. So Shane, hang out for a bit. When we say goodnight, we'll play that song again. That was pretty cool. It's basically the whole chat, the chat from tonight. Chris loaded up into AI and made a song out of it. It's pretty cool.
No, Chris, but I will absolutely go find it. I will absolutely go find it.
Fib.gc on
I think we need to do one every night, Chris, and that'll be the outro song every evening. That's super cool.
So he was telling me how he mentioned how he did it. I gotta go back and look. Does my mic sound weird to you guys?
No,
or
no,
sound just the same?
Sound normal.
Play the troll song. Okay. Tell you what, I'll get that one lined up for tomorrow night, but it's about midnight here.
That's right. Let's see if we get a midnight rip here up to my target. My target's at 20,006.
All right. Let's go back to the main pub chat. Chris. Arkansas. And all right. I'm going to download that.
Fib.nq on the 3.
Ace, I think we'll go another 5 minutes or so just to see what the London pre-market does, and I think Bob, I think we're ready to call it. What do you say?
I'm looking at the troll song. If you want to keep going, I'm okay going for a little bit longer. I was going to go to 12:15 for sure.
That's right. That's right. 12:15, Ace.
I am trying to find this one song. I got the song. I'm Chris, the troll song. I'm just trying to get it put in the right spot.
on the 3.
Well, I think I'm gonna take my $75. I'm bored. I'm bored with this trade, folks. I've been in it. I've been in that trade since 3:00 this afternoon, or well, my time, so 6:00 this afternoon Eastern. My lord, that took forever.
Yeah, what you got there?
Fib.gc on the 3.
All right, so let's do another media source. And okay.
Yeah, the lyrics even picked up some of the Nightbot stuff, like the
It did.
funded
Yeah.
links and the
Funny.
best code for AlgoBox and Apex. That was pretty cool.
I'm holding on your trades, got me 10 feet off the ground, and I'm seeing how you play. AlgoBox, you turn it all around. You tell me that you need me, then you go and show me how. But wait, you tell me that it's easy. Didn't think I'd see the game you play.
Is it playing?
It's too late to miss the game, AlgoBox. Another risk, take a trade, take a shot for you, and I need you like a heart needs a.
Oh, that's not the troll song.
And I'll play along, AlgoBox, it's true.
So what is that?
Ooh, it's too late to miss the game, AlgoBox.
Fib.gc on the 3.
There it is. I got it now. Can anybody hear me? Jesse, are you there?
Yep. Oh yeah.
Okay. Okay, hopefully this is playing the troll song.
Crazy. It is an interesting short-term view. Hey, fucker, I like this area. Watching top step up, they clueless. Thing is all over. 1 p.m. I'm waiting. Illiquid started at 7:10. Now feeling it amazing. Yeah, kinda. B-Day recording what bookmap people are seeing. It's basically a feature like recording all sounds. So I'm saying, if you can beat those guys trading, whoa, I'm boss. It's just fine with me. Speed-wise 600, freaking awesome. Turn at 800, now 620s. I'm gonna go cry in corner that they banned me. Literally, I've been ejected from Bookmap Guild, but not from server for some reason. Because I can still view their rules. Edited. I freak out, I already told you 1,000 blood days. I'm also banned from all influencers on Twitter who trade. Even though I tried to like them, it's funny on X, but you can view what they post, but they can't see you anyway, like one-way side. Momo, triple the stake. Momo, I'm not entertained. Momo, I only like when you cheer me up. Momo, impressive. 6-6 still pivot. If they overgo that, it will be funny. Didn't happen, let's stay and listen. Right back to 650, touching 6-6, settle plus. It's crazy, I never seen this mess. fired, I gent before I missed. Most of all got in at 920. They sold 400 dollars, a little lower. Hit F5 and if it's drawn up. Do you not get that I'm trolling Bookmap? Are you retarded? License and reg, please you fellows went a little fast here. The world was ending 8:15, close made it 500. Now I don't know, I had too much fun, I'm gonna fix it. Stuck in same dead end. You are bored at Chris AR, you can't even get a hard on. Do you wanna make a, once you leave this building, make it go down for my misbot? Why you misbot? Liafo, irrelevant Chris info. That was pretty wonderful, no problem, have a good night. If you a bot who can't do math, good night at Damien's. God bless you, man. Banning Bookmap trolling. Are you fucking idiot? I'm saying it's trolling Bookmap. Does it make you cry? Hey, do it. A lot of energy from 3, I like it. Hodl on to your horses. I can ban myself for you.
Yeah, that was totally Captain Price, for sure.
Okay, so that wasn't the troll song?
No, I think it is. I think if I had to guess, Chris, that was you took the chat, but only pulled Dr. M or Momo or Captain Price, whatever his name is, and like built a song off of his trolling. Because it was all over the place, like how he chats with us, right? So many different topics.
All right, so we got that one. Wow, Chris, that was really cool, man.
Oh man,
I can ban myself. All right. Well, folks, it is 8 minutes after midnight. We got 7 minutes to go, and we got to leave us 2 minutes for the outro. See, I can hear every creak. I can hear every piece of noise in the background now. I don't know what's going on with my headphones. It's like the sensitivity is out of whack.
Huh.
Testing.
Yeah, you sound normal to me.
Okay. That's better. I just adjusted the sensitivity. All right. Well, we managed to get 63 likes tonight. We're down to 41 people watching. We had a high watermark of, oh, wait, let's see how many. Mike is good. Thank you there, Missile. Wow. You're not going to believe this. We're up to 913 subscribers, Jesse.
Wow. That's 15 new subscribers tonight.
That's right. 63 likes. We got 41 people at the bar. It's been a great night. Chris from Arkansas, I want to thank you for the music, man. That was awesome. We are definitely going to make that our intro song. I've already marked it and queued it up as the Nomads intro. I'm going to lace that with my video that I put together. Just got to figure out how to do that on DaVinci. And we'll go from there. But, man, it was this is some great stuff.
Yeah, thank you, Chris. That was awesome.
Harmonic and
Very
Q
much
on the
so.
3.
And thank you to Devin. Thank you to David for all the bot attacks, bringing us new subscribers. That was super cool.
Yeah, I wonder how much he actually paid for all that.
I don't know, man, but it's not working to his favor.
You know, so this week alone, we picked up 35 new subscribers just this week in the past 3 days since Sunday night.
All right. Hey, Miguel, we are all over the place. I'm in California. Bob's out in Florida, and then our other buddy John, who's on here a lot too, is in Louisiana.
Is he in Louisiana, or is he on his way? I thought he was
These
on
guys
his
are
way
nomads.
I think he's on his way to Colorado. And I think I'm going to be headed out here shortly myself.
All right, Ace. Good night, bud. Thanks for being here.
Thank you, Ace. Appreciate it.
All right, guys. Well, on that note, I think I'm just going to go ahead and call it. I'd like to probably get some sleep here. Guys, I appreciate it. We have 38 viewers in the house, 65 likes, and we have peaked at 913 subscribers. That's 15 tonight, 10 last night, and 10 the night before. So thank you very much for all your support. Chris, thanks for the music. And Jesse, you got any final words?
No, just thanks everybody for being here. Miguel, come hang out with us. We're here every night that the market is open from 8:45 Eastern until we get too tired. So thanks for being here. Hit subscribe and come back tomorrow, buddy. We're going to do an outro now with a song that Chris generated from AI. And we'll see you all tomorrow. Thanks for being here.
All right, guys. On that note, we're going to end it with our brand new intro. So here we go. We're going to make it our extra for the night. Guys, we will see you tomorrow night. I will be back at 8:45. Jesse will chime in, I'm assuming, about 9 o'clock. So, folks, great seeing you. Thanks for coming. And we will see you guys tomorrow.
Blow up boys in the building. Late Nate. We ride at midnight. Jeff said blew the 300K, shorted silver 12 deep, no delay. Tinfoil hats reset the play. Try to evade, whisper in my algo way. Glutes night, KC hits the gym. Meanwhile, NQ flickers dim. Mark's got 17 micros in. Didn't take profit, let's spin again. Pineapple Pete got ghosted bad, said Jesse blew me off. Man, that's sad. Looking for a squad to double the day. Pay some bills, make that trade. Late Nate bubble, see the cross, see the spark. Order flow, dancing in the dark. On 400 ticks if you don't get clipped. Mavericks flying, tighten the grip. Late Nate bubble, red dot breaking fast. Don't chase it, Vinny said last. Bird, pull that trigger, hit the zone. Tonight the market's a war zone. Get above VWAP, bag extremes. Holding for M and Q like dreams. Weekly fast sitting at the gate. Market makers heard, too late. Gold's a button at gas green. Gap on GC, reverse that scene. Nightbot's got discount codes. Funding links in overload. Click here, free trial, Replicanto, Apex Elite. Funding dreams on a liquidity streak. Glitches and bubbles, reset and repeat. AlgoBox army, never accept defeat. Jason made 1750. Mark went about feeling shifty. Missile silo lives in a hat. German and Spanish Chris dropping fast. Late Nate bubble, see the cross, see the spark. Order flow, dancing in the dark.
What the hell are we listening to?
Don't get clipped. Mavericks flying, tighten the grip. Late Nate bubble, midnight grind. Reverse reset, now realigned. If you make it through the smoke and shine, then profits yours. Tick by tick, line by line. Actually, good night, Andrew. This bubble never sleeps.
Yo, Bob, what's happening, dude? Hey, at least people can actually hear me. What's happening, folks? That's old Casey, what's up? Bob and Jesse go to bed or something? I can't hear them if they're there.